Good morning, this is Vincent Varela. We're out here at FuelTech, Ball Ground, Georgia. Get the car tuned, get finesse tuning, so like a daily driver, not going crazy with horsepower-wise, just trying to get it perfect.
While Vincent works on getting the Mustang wrapped up here at FuelTech, the team over at Extreme takes delivery of a new project.
'77 Bronco getting ready to get started. Came from, I don't want to say another shop, but a home shop. Customer started the repair. Customer has since gotten hurt, had some surgery, and hasn't been able to finish the project, so Extreme will be taking over. Right now, we're in the planning phase, seeing what we got going on, what parts we have inventoried, and where the project is going to lead us.
The Extreme team takes on all builds, including projects that are more than just a show car.
Hi, I'm Donna Williford, and I'm restoring my dad's 55 Chevrolet 210. So Dad's had this car since the early 70s, so I remember it growing up, and it was always my favorite car. I can see me going, oh, this is too nice to drive, so it's going to sit in the garage. But no, I'm going to drive it. I'm going to drive it out west. I'm going to drive it all over the country and have fun. And then I also want to take Dad to a lot of shows while he's still able to go with me.
While the team continues working on the 55 Bel Air, let's see how the Mustang is coming along over at FuelTech.
Heavy vacuum. So because it's all just being idled right now, it's got a lot of vacuum, so it's sucking it in and then just dropping it in. So it's pretty normal, actually, very normal.
My car is a 67 Mustang Fastback, GT500 clone, I guess. Well, one of the Extreme guys was working a couple of doors down from my shop. I have an auto shop as well. And I was looking for someone to restore the car, and we kind of hooked up and got to talking, and I saw some of their previous builds, which were just phenomenal, and it was a pretty easy decision. My dream was to build a bullet car, but then, you know, things changed, and I ended up with this. Plan is to drive it as much as I can and enjoy it as much as I can.
Now let's meet some of the crew at Extreme Auto.
Hello, my name is Nori, and I'm with Extreme Auto Restoration. Do a little bit of everything here for the company, been here for many years. Officially, I'm the accountant and management. Try to control everybody in the office, everybody in the shop, the matriarch, and whatever it takes to make it work. So, le voy a decir a Yanni que mueva un momentito el carro para yo hacer la inspección y... ¿Ah? El 62, para poderla subir.
Hey guys, my name is Dijaris. I am the parts manager here, and I do a little bit of IT. When computers break, I'm there to help, and anything really that needs to be done, I can help out. Nice to meet you guys.
This is for our '77 Bronco that we are building here the first of next year.
All right, this is ECU.
The beauty of this Bronco was that the customer really provided all the parts. It was a build that he started at his house, and he pretty much has everything new for this car. So sometimes that's a blessing, sometimes it's not, but I think in this case it's definitely
This is a Dakota GPS. Well, we're back and forth if the customer wanted to change the suspension on it, or the brakes, right?
Yeah, we're gonna change the brakes.
We're gonna have to see what he got right now and what we can find to fit what he has already installed on the chassis.
I think we were thinking
If
about...
we go that route.
Yeah, we were thinking about maybe changing coilovers and upgrading the brakes so they could be something nicer. I think the hardest part with this Bronco is going to be the marrying of the style of the originality, because usually when you look at Broncos, they're pretty much all the same, and then same wheels and same finishes. So we're definitely wanting to put our touch on it, but trying to find that and make sure the customer's happy, I think that's going to be our hardest point.